Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gigi, and in this video, I will be sharing with you a project that I did over the summer. I revamped my outdoor grilling station. So I wanted to add a bar to it. I ended up extending the overall length of the original station. And guys, as you'll see, I'm not a carpenter. I went to YouTube University, did a design layout using my design software, and went from there. I'm glad that I did add more countertop space because my son actually bought me a pizza oven and it fit perfectly in that new space. I reused the drawer and doors, then added two additional doors for the new storage space. I added larger tiles, but the same kind that I had used in the old one. I purchased them from Lowe's, and then I think
You
they're
don't want to get
porcelain
copyright
tiles.
strike and
They're made to look like slate or some kind of like stone or whatever, some kind of like a natural stone or whatever. I grouted the tiles and stained the wood. I bought a new grill, which is smaller, but a better brand than the old grill. I attached an umbrella over the bar area for shade, then added three stools. I love the overall result. Me and my family have been enjoying the space all summer long. Thanks for watching.